This is one of the most important videos that you will ever watch if you are serious about growing on YouTube. I am gonna show you exactly how to rank your videos like a pro so that you can get maximum visibility on YouTube. These are proven techniques that have helped my clients get millions of views, and I am gonna share them with you in this video, so make sure to watch till the end. First things first, you need to understand how YouTube search works. Unlike Google, which is a keyword-based search engine, YouTube is a semantic search engine. This means that YouTube looks at the context and the meaning of your video and the search query to determine how relevant your video is. So in order to rank higher on YouTube, you need to optimize your video for both humans and machines. Let's start with the title. Your title should be concise and descriptive. It should accurately reflect the content of your video, and it should include relevant keywords that people might use to search for that content. For example, if you're making a video about how to create a YouTube channel, your title might be How to Create a YouTube Channel in 2023. But don't just stuff keywords into your title. You need to make it relevant and appealing to your target audience. For example, you could say how to create a profitable YouTube channel in 2023. That way, you're not only targeting people who are looking for general information about how to create a YouTube channel, but you're also targeting people who are specifically looking for ways to make money on YouTube. Next, we have the thumbnail. Your thumbnail is one of the most important factors in determining how successful your video is going to be. If your thumbnail is not clickable, people are not going to watch your video. And if they don't watch your video, YouTube has no reason to push it out to a wider audience. So make sure your thumbnails are high quality, they're relevant to your video content, and they're appealing to your target audience. Now let's talk about the description. Your description should be detailed and specific. It should provide a more in-depth overview of what your video is about, and it should include keywords that are relevant to your video topic. You should also use emojis to make your description stand out. And if you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button. It helps me a lot. Now let's move on to tags. Tags are an important part of your video SEO, but they're not as important as they used to be. In the past, people would stuff their videos with hundreds of tags in order to get more views. And while this may have worked in the past, it's not a good strategy anymore. In fact, it's likely to get you penalized. Instead, you should use a few carefully selected tags that are relevant to your video topic. Finally, we have the most important factor, and that is the content itself. If people don't watch your video, then there is no chance of ranking on YouTube. So make sure your content is high quality, it's engaging, and it provides value to your target audience. If you want to learn more about how to rank on YouTube, I've included a link in the description below. It's a practical guide that will teach you everything you need to know about YouTube SEO. Make sure to check it out. And finally, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps me out. And while you're at it, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss out on any of my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.